Platform 2. Be the Elvis Express to Parkes. Passengers please be advised, this is for reserved seats only. Next train on platform 2 will be the Elvis Express to Parkes. Passengers please be advised, this is for reserved seats only.
What isn't there to love about Elvis? I mean, he was just a honey, and he could sing and just everything. So I've got a pink poodle skirt with a black petticoat and a black top and a black scarf. Love me tender, love me true, never let me go.
No one likes Elvis in my class except for me, so I'm the only one that goes. They like Jessie J, all that stuff. Justin Bieber, I don't like him. Everyone else, but bright light city gonna set my soul on fire. Got a whole lot of money that's ready to burn, so get those stakes up higher.
As the snow flies on a gray and cold Chicago morning, another baby child is born in the ghetto. Love you.